Let me show you how to use all gestures on the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So first of all, we'll need to open the Xiaomi earbuds app on the smartphone device currently connected with your earbuds. After that, we can find the gestures right here, and then we can see all of the options. You can assign different actions to each of those gestures. So for example, we can assign next volume up to tap left earphone once. So now let's go through all of the options right here. We have first we have tap left or right earphone. So all you have to do is grab the left or right earphone, and then you will need to tap it in this area right here. So just perform a tap like this, and then it should perform that specific gesture. Next thing is the double tap. So you need to double tap like this, and then you'll be able to perform another gesture. Just do it on the appropriate left or right earphone. Then there's triple tap, the same thing, so you just need to tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And last one is press and hold. Then all you have to do is press and hold it right like that. And as I said, those gestures are, the actions for gestures are not strict, so you can customize them however you like in this application. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.